Good morning, children. Welcome back to your numeracy class. Do you remember what did we learn last week in our numeracy class? We learned something about size. Can anybody tell me? Yes, you're right. We learned about big and small things. Today in our numeracy class, we are going to learn the same thing. We are going to learn about big, small and same size, but with a twist. So, the objective of the lesson is identify and compare the objects that are big, small and same size. Now let me show you few examples. I have got few objects on my table and we are going to identify and compare these objects as big, small and same size. Now this is a box. Now, can you identify the size of this box? Yes, this is a big box. Now, how about this one? What is the size of this box? This box is small. Now, we have already identified these two boxes. Now, we need to compare these boxes. Now, can anybody compare these two boxes? Yes. This is a big box and this is a small box. Very good. Now how about these two bowls? Now can you compare these two bowls? Is this big? Is this small? Yes, tell me. Yes, they are same. But how are they same? Good job. Both are same size. See, they're of the same size. Well done. Now let me show you another example. Now can anybody tell me what is the size of this balloon? This balloon is big. And how about this balloon? This balloon is small. Now how will you compare these two balloons? But remember, you have to compare by its size. This green color balloon is big and this orange color balloon is small. You're right. Now, how will you compare these two glasses? Yes, you're right. They are same. But how are they same? They are of the same size. Good job. I hope you have understood the concept of big, small and same size. Now we are going to play a listening game. Remember, we are going to play a listening game. And what you have to do in this game is you have to listen carefully to what I say. And after listening, you are going to draw the objects which I ask you to draw. So, first of all, you need to ask your mommy or daddy to draw a similar table for you. This is the table. Big, small, same size. Now, let's start with the listening game. Are you all ready? Okay. Draw a big ball and a small ball. I will also do along with you. Okay, one more time. Draw a big ball and a small ball. Mine is done. Take your time. Now you need to draw two balloons of the same size. Listen, two balloons of the same size. Mine is done. I'll give you some more time. Okay, now again listen carefully. Another one. Now write a big numeral 4 and a small numeral 3. Once again, Write a big numeral 4 and a small numeral 3. Now, as we are already done with our activity, I'm going to compare my drawing. This ball is big. This ball is small. And these two balloons are of the same size. This is a big numeral 4 and this is a small numeral 3. Now, it's your turn to compare your drawings and explain it to your parents. Now there is another challenging activity for you. If you have done this independently, you can challenge yourself by collecting few objects available at home, and you need to sort them as big, small and same size. Once you are done with the sorting activity, you can also count the objects. You can count the objects that are big, count the objects that are small, and also count the objects that are of the same size. Now remember to follow the steps to success. Till then, bye-bye.